Food hygiene. Poor personal hygiene may allow pathogenic microorganisms to cause food spoilage. Food spoilage is an undesirable change in the normal state of food and is not suitable for human consumption. Signs of food spoilage include changes in appearance, color, texture, odor, and taste. Food preservation. Food preservation is the process of prevention of food from decay or spoilage by storing in a condition fit for future use. Food is preserved to increase the shelf life of food, retain the color, texture, flavor, and nutritive value, increase food supply, decrease wastage of food. Methods of food preservation. The various methods of food preservation are explained below. First one, drying. Drying is the process of preservation of food by removal of water or moisture content in the food. It can be done either by sun drying or vacuum drying or hot air drying. Drying inhibits the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast, and molds. Smoking. In this process, food products like meat and fish are exposed to smoke. The drying action of the smoke tends to preserve the food. Irradiation. Food irradiation is the process of exposing food to optimum levels of ionizing radiations like X-rays, gamma rays, or UV rays to kill harmful bacteria and pests and to preserve its freshness. Cold storage and freezing. It is a source of storing the perishable foods such as vegetables, fruits, and fruit products, milk and milk products, etc. at low temperature. Preserving the food products at low temperature slows down the biological and chemical reactions and prevents its spoilage. Freezing. Freezing is one of the widely used method of food preservation. This process involves storing the food below 0 degrees Celsius at which microorganisms cannot grow. Chemical reactions are reduced and metabolic reactions are also delayed. Pasteurization. Pasteurization is the process of heat treatment of liquid food products. Example, for preservation of milk and beverages, this process also involves boiling of milk to a temperature of 63 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes and suddenly cooling to destroy the microbes present in the milk. Canning. In this method, the food preservation, most vegetables, fruits, meat and dairy products, fruit juices and some ready-to-eat foods are processed and stored in a clean, steamed airtight container under pressure and then sealed. It is then subjected to high temperature and cooled to destroy all microbes. Addition of preservatives. Food can be preserved by adding natural and synthetic preservatives. Natural preservative, addition of sugar, addition of oil. Then synthetic preservatives. Food adulteration. Adulteration is defined as the addition or subtraction of any substance to or from food so that the natural composition and the quality of food substance is affected. Adulterant is any material which is used for the purpose of adulteration. Some of the common adulterated foods are milk and milk products, cereals, pulses, coffee powder, tea powder, turmeric powder, saffron, confectionery, non-alcoholic beverages, spices, edible oils, meat, poultry products, etc. The adulterants in food can be classified in three categories. 1. Natural adulterants. Second one, incidental or unintentionally added adulterants. Intentionally added adulterants. So, three types. Natural adulterants. Natural adulterants are those chemicals or organic compounds that are naturally present in food. Incidental Unintentionally added adulterants. These types of adulterants are added unknowingly due to ignorance or carelessness during food handling and packaging. Intentionally added adulterant. These adulterants are added intentionally for financial gain and have serious impact on the health of the consumers. These type of adulterants include additive and preservative like vinegar, citric acid, baking soda, modified food starch, food flavor, synthetic preservatives and artificial sweeteners. Chemicals like calcium carbide to ripen bananas and mangoes. Food quality control. The government always ensures that pure and safe food is made available to the consumers. In 1954, the Indian government enacted the food law known as Prevention of Food Adulteration Act and the Prevention of Food Adulteration Rules in 1955 with the objective of ensuring pure and wholesome food to the consumers and protect them from fraudulent trade practices. Minimum standards of quality for food and strict hygienic conditions for its sale are clearly outlined in the Act. Food control agencies, their standardized mark and role in food safety. ISI, Indian Standards Institution, known as Bureau of Indian Standard, certifies industrial products like electrical appliances like switches, wiring cables, water heater, electric motor, kitchen appliances, etc. AGMARK, Agricultural Mark, certifies agricultural and livestock product like cereals, essential oils, pulses, honey, butter, etc. FPO, Fruit Process Order, certifies the fruit products like juice, jams, sauce, canned food and vegetables, pickles, etc. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, responsible for protecting and promoting the public health through regulation and supervision of food safety.